Hi artists, it's Mrs. Greenhouse. I am so excited to share this lesson with you about the American flag. 4th of July is coming up, so let's make an American flag together. This is a collage project. A collage is when you cut or tear pieces of paper or other materials and glue them down to make a picture. Today's picture, of course, is the American flag. You're going to need a white piece of paper. I am using a heavyweight cardstock. You're going to need some red construction paper scraps and some blue construction paper scraps. You're going to need a pair of scissors and some glue. And I used a white crayon to add my stars. All right, let's get started. Before I do anything, I'm going to write my name on the back with a pencil, and I'm going to flip it over. Is there an American flag in your classroom? Take a minute to look at it and really study what it looks like. What side of the flag has the blue square? Where on the flag is it? Take a few minutes to look and figure it out. Then you're going to cut your square or rectangle out of the blue. That's going to be where mine goes. Also take a few minutes to study the flag and look to see how many stripes the flag has. Can you try to put that many stripes in your collage? How many red stripes does it have? How many white stripes does it have? So look closely at the flag that's in your classroom and think about how you're going to arrange your paper scraps to look like the flag. I'm going to use my red paper and I'm going to tear some pieces. You could also cut the pieces, but I sure like tearing paper. You don't want them to be too big, and you don't want them to be too small. Then when you have some pieces torn, you can use your glue. Remember, when to open the glue bottle, you're going to twist the orange part and put a few dots of glue on the back of the construction paper. Ms. Greenhouse likes to say, just a dot, not a lot. You do not need big puddles of glue for this. And I'm going to put this here right in the corner and press, making sure it's nice and stuck down. And then one red piece at a time, stick them down for your stripes with a little dot of glue each time. This is a great way to practice using your glue correctly. Little dots of glue. Then I'm going to skip some space here and leave that as my white stripe. Then I'm going to keep adding the glue one dot at a time. Practicing having good control of that glue with each piece that you stick down. And you're just going to keep going until you have all your stripes filled in all the way down to the bottom of the page. Then I used a white crayon. Now you may be really good at drawing stars, but if you're not, you can just draw white dots. We'll get the idea. We'll know that they're supposed to be stars, don't we? I'm just going to fill the spots in here. Fill it all the way up. This will make a great decoration at your house for the 4th of July. Have fun. Use that glue the right way. And when you're done, take a picture of it and email it to me. My email is agreenhouse@acs.ac. I would love to see what your finished artwork looks like. All right, I'll see you next time. Happy 4th of July.